Hey there, welcome back. It's been a while. It's Jeff again from Picture Time, and I'm back with another home update video. It's been a while since we've shared anything, but my wife and I just recently upgraded the windows on our home, and I want to tell you the story and actually assure you that yes, you can get German tilt and turn windows in the United States. My wife and I moved into our house in Chaska, Minnesota just over 20 years ago. It's kind of a house farm in this area. A lot of the houses went up together and they used builder grade Hurd windows for our house. They were double hung windows, and frankly, they were never that good from the very beginning. And now with 20 years of use, the windows are just coming apart. I had like a number of windows that wouldn't open or close anymore. A lot of the little tabs that you flip out to raise the double hung window so you can remove it for cleaning have come out, and then some of the springs are broken. The little tabs that clip and hold the screens in place, some of them are missing. There was ice that was built up in the bottom of them in the wintertime, and when you try and close them, it cracks the plastic. The windows are just a mess. Not to mention the heat escaping and the cold getting in the winter. You could put your hand above the double hung window and just feel this draft in this vent. Well, about a year and a half ago, our daughter was studying abroad in Germany, and my wife and I went around the Christmas time to visit her and spent a few days, a week or so in Germany and Switzerland. And one of the things that we noticed was just the windows in Europe. We were so amazed by them. They had this handle on them that you could flip up and vent, and then you could open them inside. Cleaning was easier. That seemed like they sealed really well. And we were like, man, if there's a way we could get those windows in the United States, that would be amazing. So I did some research. I went online and I found a German window manufacturer called Gealan. Gealan manufactures windows in Germany and then imports them into the United States. I went onto Gealan's website, learned a little bit about the windows, and then found a dealer locator, Vermak Windows, and decided to reach out and give them a call. Vermak has a showroom about 40 minutes from our house, and I went in to take a look at the windows, and they were what I remember from Germany. This is Mark. Say hi to Mark. So you can rotate this up like this and vent, or you can do micro and it vents just a little bit. Yep. Right? Or you can open it like this and you can now clean on both sides, and the screen is right here. So the windows open up to the inside, and then if we wanted to get blinds, we get the blinds that set inside here. Correct?
Yeah. Unless you go curtains.
Metal frames, vinyl on the outside.
Metal hardware.
And metal hardware.
The vinyl is, well, so this is UPVC, and then it's reinforced with steel.
So here's the patio door. Mark, actuate that door again for me so I can see how it pops out.
This seals.
Really nice seal. Vermak imports the Gealan windows from Germany in a big container. Then they measure everything and cut them to size for your home here. And then they use cardinal glass. Now, Pella, Renewal by Andersen, Marvin, basically most of the glass companies in the United States use cardinal glass for the actual glass packs for the windows. But the frames, the mechanisms, the handles, this is all Gealan stuff imported directly from Germany. I was super impressed by Vermak. Basically, I photographed our home from 3 different sides and then measured as best I could each window opening that we wanted to replace. Came up with about 20 windows and then the patio sliding door at the back that we wanted to get swapped out. I sent those images over to Mark at Vermak, and then he came back with a quote for the windows and also for the installation. Even with my rudimentary measurements, they honored their price from the very beginning. Initially, I assumed that these windows would cost a lot more, but actually I was really surprised at how good of a value the windows are. And in fact, we had 20 windows done in our home and this patio door and all the installation for right around $30,000. $30,000 is obviously a lot of money, but I think that if we would have gone with like a Marvin or a Pella or even a Renewal by Andersen, we'd have likely spent $45,000 to $50,000 for a home with as many windows as ours. So I was very impressed with the price. And on top of that, from the very beginning when Vermak came out to start doing the installation, I was so impressed. Vermak sent out one of their guys to recheck my measurements and get an exact measurement. Once that measurement was done and we made a down payment of 50% on the windows, it took about 5 to 7 weeks for all the windows to be manufactured. Mark from Vermak sent me text kind of keeping me informed of the process, and we got this cool text right when the manufacturing started. He sent me this video to see our windows actually getting made. Shortly after that, they reached out and scheduled us for the installation. And from start to finish, the installation took about 8 days. We were really impressed with Sergey and the team from Vermak that came out to do the installation. They were able to cut all the old windows out using a multi-tool, and then the new windows fit just perfectly. These new windows are installed so well, they're leveled perfectly. They foamed them all in around the outside and then came back at the end to finish caulking around the edge and did a beautiful job of the installation.
Vermak Construction was really great to work with. They were very responsible, dependable, they came on time, they were great at communicating when they were going to be here and how long they thought they would be here. We really only had to work 1 day in advance, and so they let me know which room they would be in the next day so that I had the chance to move furniture away or take away anything that I wanted to protect. They were very great to work with. In fact, we ended up having them come to our house when we weren't even here because I trusted them like friends. They were very easy to have around.
I was able to save us quite a bit of money by doing the interior trim work on the windows myself. Initially, I thought I was going to have to replace all the sill boxes and the trim, but it turns out there was only a small area where the paint had peeled back or a rough edge that I had to clean up, recaulk, and then touch up the paint on our windows. And so on a few weekends, just putzing at it, I was able to knock the interior trim out myself, and it turned out so great. Hi, honey. What do you think of the new windows?
I love our new windows so much.
Can you show them how they work?
Sure, absolutely. If you want, you can tip them this way and open them all the way up.
And why would you want to open them in something like that?
I love it because our other windows were really difficult to wash, especially when we couldn't even get them open, half of them. And so these are so easy to open all the way that we can wash them. We don't even have to remove screens. I love that. Or I can put the handle straight up and I can tip the windows, which is also fabulous, whether it's we're gonna leave the house and we don't know if it's gonna be raining, not a problem. Even if it sprinkles, we don't need to rush home to close the windows. Just a perfect amount of vent for fresh air in our home.
We've had the windows now for just over a month, and we've really enjoyed having the windows cracked open for a lot of the fall here. And now as the temperatures are starting to get a little lower, we're really enjoying having them sealed up. In addition to the tilt and turn feature, it just seems like they are so solid and that they seal so much better than any other windows that we've seen. The standard windows from Gealan have like 5 locking points around the steel frame that sucks the gasketed window trim against the gasket on the window frame for a really tight seal. And on the patio door, I think I counted 12 locking points. On our old patio door, my son used to be able to like jimmy it from the patio and get it to pop open, and you need to put a bar to block the door so it wouldn't open. This door comes in, it slides in, it kind of cantilevers out and in, and then once you close it and lock that handle down, it pulls it tight against 12 locking points. It seals super tight, and there's no way to pop it from the outside. One of the challenges, however, with these windows is that window coverings that are typically designed for double hung or crank windows may not work because of the fact that these tilt in. So Vermak suggested that we go with Veneta Clearfit blinds. They're fairly expensive, but you can buy them at a discount from Home Depot.
We can still open the windows, or we can tilt them and the window coverings stay in place.
And because they're affixed at the bottom with these little tabs, they don't tip out as the window tips up.
Exactly.
Due to the cost of the Veneta Clearfit blinds, we chose to do curtains in a few of the other rooms and in the bedrooms, and that's worked out really well. We just installed a piece of wood trim and painted it to match the windows. and then got a curtain rod. And I'll put the link to those rods in the description below.
I guess if there is one challenge to having the windows, it's that about half of the windows have furniture in front of them. And so in order to open the window, we do need to move the couch a bit, but that's worth it. If I'm gonna be opening the window just a couple times a year to wash it, I'm willing to move the couch. Let's face it, most of the time, what we really need is to just tilt the windows, and that does not matter, even if we have furniture in front of the windows. It's not a problem.
All that said, we're super thrilled with these new German windows, these Gealan tilt and turn windows from Germany. Our daughter is actually back in Germany as an RA now at the same school. We plan to go maybe visit her next summer. And we've been sending her pictures of the new windows, and it's almost like a taste of Germany right here in Minnesota. I've been super impressed with Vermak Construction. And if you have a window project at a home or cabin or rental property, I would highly recommend reaching out to them if you have more questions about these windows. Mark Pascar was the guy I spoke with. He was great. Give him a call, reach out to him. I'll put the link in the description below, and mention Picture Time and Jeff Stone when you give him a call. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to maybe do some more content related to some of these home projects. And we also have a cruise coming up that we'll likely do some content on as well. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate you. Have a great day.